We're going to troubleshoot the zsh command not found PHP error. This error means your zsh shell can't find the PHP executable. Let's fix it. 1. Is PHP actually installed? First, we need to confirm if PHP is even installed on your system. Open your terminal and type PHP version. If you get a version number, PHP is installed, and we'll move on to the next steps. If you get a command not found error here too, you need to install PHP. The installation process differs depending on your operating system, macOS, Linux, Windows. For macOS, using Homebrew, brew install PHP, is a common method. On Debian Ubuntu Linux systems, it's often sudo apt update and then sudo apt install phpa. For Windows, you might need to download the PHP installer from the official PHP website. 2. Checking your path environment variable. Even if PHP is installed, ZHH might not know where to find it. The path variable tells your shell where to look for commands. Let's check if PHP's directory is included in your path. Type echo $path in your terminal. Look carefully at the output. You should see directories listed, separated by colons, on macOS Linux, or semicolons, on Windows. If the directory containing the PHP executable, often something like /usr/bin or /usr/local/bin on Linux macOS, or cphp bin on Windows, this varies based on your installation, isn't there, we need to add it. 3. Adding PHP to your path. The way to add to your path depends on your system and how you want to make the change, permanently or temporarily. For a temporary change, only for the current session, you can use export path $path//php/bin. Replace /path//php/bin with the actual path. For a permanent change, you'll usually edit your shell's configuration file, like write single quote tilde/.zhrc write single quote for ZAH. Open this file using a text editor like Nano or Vim, nano tilde/.zhrc write single quote or vim tilde/.zhrc. Add the export path $path//php/bin. Line, save the file, and then source it using source tilde/.zshrc. This applies the changes. 4. Restart your terminal or shell. After making changes to your path, restart your terminal or shell session to ensure the changes take effect. Then, try running PHP, version again to verify. 5. Using the full path. If you're still having trouble, you can temporarily run PHP by typing its full path directly. For example, if PHP is in /usr/local/bin/php, try running /usr/local/bin/php version. If this works, the problem is definitely your path setting. 6. Reinstall PHP as a last resort. If none of the above steps solve the issue, consider reinstalling PHP. Sometimes, incomplete or corrupted installations can lead to this error. Make sure to completely remove the old installation before reinstalling. Remember to replace placeholders like /path/to/php/bin with your actual PHP installation path. Always double-check paths for typos, as even a small mistake can cause this error.